Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 9 Standard Subject English.
Hello students, hope all of you are doing well and staying safe at home. Today I will give you the summary of the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Now I will tell you the summary of this poem. The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost brings up the idea of choice and how the choices we make shape our life. It is an extended metaphor used for life and the choices we must make along the way. The poet stood on the edge of two diverging roads and regretted that he could not travel both. He looked far as he could see what lies ahead. One road was grassy and the other one looked worn out. He takes the second road and hopes that he would take the first road some other day. He realizes that he has not made right choice by choosing the less traveled one. In the previous session, I asked you to prepare answers for the questions in poem 1. Now I will discuss answers for these questions. Check your answers and write in classwork notebook. Number 1. Where does the traveler find himself? What problem does he face? Answer. The traveler finds himself at a point where two roads diverge in a forest. His problem is to decide on which road he should walk. Number 2. Discuss what these phrases mean to you. A yellow wood. Second one, it was grassy and wanted bare. Number 3, the passing there. Fourth one, Lee's no step had trodden black. Fifth one, how way leads on to way. First one, the answer for the first one is a forest in the autumn season. A yellow wood implies a forest in the autumn season. Second one, it was grassy and wanted bare. It implies it was a less traveled road. It was a smooth road which has not worn out. Third one, the passing there. That implies walking on the road. Fourth one, it means no one had walked over these leaves. Fifth one, it means how one road leads to another road. Third one, is there any difference between the two roads as the poet described them? Roman letter 1 in stanzas 2 and 3, Roman letter 2 in the last two lines of the poem. Answer. First one, Roman letter 1, answer. There is no difference between the two roads in stanzas 2 and 3. Roman letter 2, in the last two lines of the poem, the poet tells that the road he opted for is less traveled. Fourth question, what do you think the last two lines of the poem mean? Looking back, does the poet regret his choice or accept it? Answer. The last two lines of the poem contain the theme of the poem. The poet chose the less traveled road. It was a challenging path. It changed the direction of his life. He now repents for not getting a chance to travel on the first road. Now we will discuss the rhyme scheme of this poem. Here, would rhymes with stood and could. See the first stanza there. The would, both, stood, could, undergrowth. Last verse. Here would rhymes with stood and could. And both rhymes with undergrowth. So the rhyme scheme of this poem is AB, AAB. Here, the poem contains 4 stanzas and each stanza contains 5 lines. That you know that. This is called a quatrain. Thus, the poem contains 4 quatrains. Now we will discuss the poetic devices. First one, personification. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood. Here the poet is not talking about a road fork in the wood. Instead, he is using the concept of a diverging road to relate to making decisions in life. Next poetic device is metaphor. In the poem, the poet uses the fork in the road as a metaphor for the choices we make in life. Third one is repetition. For example, somewhere ages and ages hence. Here the word ages and ages repeats. So it is called repetition. Okay students, thank you very much.